Hello, my name is Funmi and I'm here to help you accelerate your career. I'm going to be teaching you about 5 tips for career success. 5 tips for career success. How can you be successful in your career? A lot of people send me messages asking how they can be successful in their career. They want to know how to accelerate their career, and that's why I'm here, by the way. The first tip is for you to think of your career as a business, right? Think of your career as a business. Think of yourself. Think of your career as a business. How are you going to generate income over the period of years in you working in your career and your job? What are the ways that you can reduce the risks and the threat associated with your career? It's so important for you to think about your career from a perspective. Look at it as a holistic view of you getting into a career, not just to make money, right? But then to impact the world and to leave behind a legacy and for your story to be told even after you're gone. So the first tip, again, think of your career as a business. The second tip for career success is for you to get a career mentor. You need a mentor. Whatever career path you are following, you need a mentor to guide you. You need a mentor to help you to avoid the mistakes that they've made, and you need a mentor to help you to go higher and faster. So get a mentor. You can get a mentor online, you can get a mentor offline. You have uncles, you have aunties, you have colleagues, you have people that are online as well. Probably you could use LinkedIn, right? You should make sure that when you want to connect with a mentor, you should always give value, right? Make it a win-win, just like a partnership. The third tip for career success is for you to get a coach. Yes, you need a coach, and you probably need me as well. A coach is so important to help you to carve your path seamlessly and to guide you as long, especially when you are looking for a new job, when you're looking to change your job, or you're looking to switch careers. A coach can already see the obstacles along the way, and they're there to keep you accountable and to give you all the support that you need. Okay, the fourth tip is for you to respect everyone around you. Show respect to everyone. Be friendly, right? Be nice, and also make sure that you treat everyone with respect, because you want to be respected as well. Treat everyone with respect. Respect people from the lowest level to the highest level. Very important to be respectful, because it helps you to be successful in your career, because you don't know where you could meet anyone and you could need their help. So always think long term in your career. The last tip is for you to talk less and listen more. The last tip is talk less and listen more in your career. When you're in meetings, when you're in board, talk less and listen more. What do I mean by that? When someone is trying to share an information with you, probably a work information, or they are trying to bring you on board, it's very important for you to be able to listen to the nitty-gritty of what they are trying to pass across to you. Don't be too fast to share what you have in mind. Yes, you can share your ideas, you can share your opinion, but listen to the whole story before you get into sharing your own information, guys. It's so important for you to talk less and listen more when you're trying to work on your career. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye.